Hi there, it's Sam, and today I'm excited to share that for images and URLs, we now support Metafields as the dynamic source. With this new addition, you can use your Metafield images and Metafield URLs within your instant layouts to build even more dynamic pages, sections, and product templates. Let's first discuss Metafield images. So right here on this product section, I have a bunch of content. And in this accordion element, I have the delivery and returns information. And I also want to add a size guide. And I could just upload a image, but this does not make it very dynamic. So what you can do right now is work with a Shopify Metafield image. So let's open the item and the content within. There's already an image, and now let's change the content from static to Shopify. And then if we click on the image, you can see that we can work with product media, but now also with the Metafield media. In this case, the size guide image. Now, let's go to Shopify and I'll show you what this looks like. Here we are within this specific product. And if we scroll down, you can see that I've set up a product Metafield for the size guide and uploaded the image, which we can use in instant. Next up, let's discuss the URLs. So for this button right here, I want to add a link. To do so, we go to interactions. Then under action, we can click on go to link, which will enable us to put in a URL. But with this update, you can also choose a Metafield URL as the dynamic source. So once selected, it's set up and you're done. This update will enable you to build even more dynamic layouts. And I hope after watching this video, you have a good understanding on how to work with it. And that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more product updates and thanks for watching.